Okay, Wednesday, October 12th. I'm buying some SPY 360 puts at 648. They're up to 670 right now. I bought them here on the 1 minute chart when I was watching price, ready to break down through the pre-market lows. I bought it really, if I draw a line, it was on this 1 minute failure right around here, anticipating that. If you look at the 15-minute chart, we had the failure. We kind of came down quickly to start the session. Then we came up to the midway point. We rolled over, and this was the bar here to, really aggressively buy. I kind of watched it for a little while because we're still at the halfway point of that first bar. We were starting to pause in here. I just wanted to make sure we were really breaking below the midpoint of that first bar. So I was watching the 1 minute chart at that time, just kind of pausing in this key area right above the pre-market lows. And then as we came down, I started to buy the puts here and looking for it to take out the intraday low. So now I'll just see, the target here is obviously this first low, to take that out and to see then if we can build up a little momentum. Again, we talked about how the downside momentum's all intact here. Continuity on the daily charts to the downside. Weekly chart, we're still red. Monthly chart, same thing. With some targets below. So given this opening price action, I discussed this in the opening video, this was kind of a green to red kind of failure kind of thing, and it's kind of grinded down. And now that, you had a lot of buying come in here, so I am a little conscious of the fact that today is a day where we might get just broadening action, waiting for tomorrow's CPI number. You have yesterday's lows here. I think we can kind of come down and take out the intraday lows and yesterday's lows at a minimum, which should set up a no risk trade. See if we get a little momentum, building up in the morning here. But it's kind of a tricky scenario. You can see here a lot of buying came in to start, and we have definitely exhaustion risk to the downside, so you don't know how much follow-through you're going to get. But given this opening price action, it just seems worth a try to see if we can take out those lows. There should be some stops down there of anyone who bought it. There should be some stops below yesterday's low. So let's see if we can take those out here as we grind lower here in the morning.